It's a new day in the crypto world. Let's make some money. In this video, we're looking at the best 5 meme coins that you could potentially get your hands on at the moment in the markets. Meme coins are absolutely looking strong and certainly one of the largest narratives right now at current time. So the first coin is going to be the first Neiro on Ethereum. This coin has been ripping over the last 7 days, as you can see on the charts right here, and also on the month it's up massively. Just look at that wonderful gains. You can see $14 million MC up to 800, and I think this will have continuation and carry through to the 1, 2, maybe even $3 billion market capital. Yes, I said it, $3 billion. Some crazy amount. I think, this can scale up there with Pepe coin and a few others. So for sure, bullish on this one. Absolutely. You can see this is their new Twitter page right there. The previous backup account for Neiro. So when you look at Neiro, they're growing, they're pushing, they're getting new exchange launches, like for example, recently on Bitrue, and they're tweeting a lot. They're getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and overall that's all it takes. Community, culture, belief. And as a result, we are seeing those massive bullish signs reflected. So we've got a $730 million market capital with $1 billion of volume over the last 24 hours and 100% of the overall coins circulating, which is absolutely brilliant to see. You're not going to get hit by token dilution. So yeah, looking really good. And considering we're not in a true meme market right now or alt season, I do think we could see another 2, 3, 4x for this particular coin right here. And of course, before that happens, it's still very possible that we could see a 20-30% correction for Neiro over here. I'm not saying it will only go up, but right now it is looking good, and you've got tons of exchange accessibility. So if you do want to get some of this, make sure you do use my MEXC and KSX link down below, and you can do this for most of the meme coins here if you want to basically get some sign-up rewards and save money over time with the best exchange fees in the crypto space. So absolutely, coin number 1 will be first Neiro on Ethereum. And this takes us into coin number 2, which is actually going to be MOG, following closely behind. It is the 10th largest meme coin by market capital on the year, has seen some tremendous growth, exponential growth, shall we call it. We can see the market cap earlier this year in April was 300 million, climbed up to 840, and it is soaring yet again in a very, very strong uptrend. 92% of the coins are in circulation. That's 390 trillion with 30 trillion more tokens to be released. A market cap of $612 million at the moment. MogCoin is the world's first internet sort of culture coin. And you can see they've got their Ethereum mainnet contract address and base contract address here on the screen for us. And overall, decent volume on the 24 hours. We've got $20 million worth of volume there on the 24 hours. 83k followers here on Twitter. And I do think it will be one that will grow more and more. Again, we're seeing humongous interactions and engagements here on their Twitter page. It's always good to look at Twitter and verify the authenticity of a project with its likes, retweets, and comments. And we are seeing that absolutely for MogCoin over here. So another one on the list I think could be a good one. And the market accessibility again is really strong, mostly actually from DEX. The overall volume is coming through. You're seeing more on Uniswap, but actually centralized exchange, you're getting a lot on Bybit and a few other great exchanges out here. Not so much on some of the other tier 2s, but again, if you want to grab it, MEXC link is down below. And this is one I've already bought $3,000 worth of, including actually first Neiro. I've got 3k of each because I think, if I can get a 3, 4x out of each of these, then that's still a really good position and a really good take profit and overall portfolio improvement on my end. So yeah, maybe you can also replicate this sort of thing and get 3 to 4x out of these particular coins. Now moving into the more Wild West, we have a more high risk, high reward opportunity here, which is Pepe Unchained Layer 2. And I want to quickly show you guys a new video that they've just launched, which highlights the product. So let's check it out together. They're going to have their own block explorer, as you can see, where you can look through the tokens, the charts and stats, and also the API. Also going to see bridging. And here you can actually see, look, from Sepolia to Pepe Unchained. And right there, you're going to get the initiate deposit. Bridging will occur, which will take a few minutes to do, but that's really cool to see the layer 2 actually fully functional and working. What else is there? So we can see that there will be withdrawal function where you can actually withdraw out. Pepe Unchained testnet withdrawal takes 7 days roughly. And now what really excites me is actually the DEX side of things. There's going to be a new DEX feature where you can swap tokens, for example, Pepe tokens. You can swap them into Rat Pepe or into other kind of coins in the crypto space, and then you can use those wrap tokens for whichever purposes you want to within the Pepe Unchained blockchain itself. So really cool. Advanced analytics. You can see advanced analytics for tokens. As you see on screen, different pairs, different insights, TVL, things like that. So this could be a new ecosystem of its very own kind that could perform quite well out there in the crypto space. So certainly wanted to talk about this one. You can see they've got their audit tier with solid proof and also coin consult, I think it is, or coin salt. Yep, that's the one. So this does, of course, show that security is in the forefront of their mind. Now they've raised, I literally looked at this in the last 3 days, over $1 million. So it's definitely getting humongous traction right now. One Pepe is $0.00994, and you can buy this by connecting your MetaMask wallet. Use the link I've got down below to look at Pepe Unchained and convert either Ethereum or Tether into your Pepe token. So it does look very, very good. I know people that bought thousands of dollars worth of this, so it could potentially do quite well. And again, looking at their Twitter, 40.1k followers now. It's going up by the hundreds every single day. A lot of hype for this token right here, so worth checking out down below. Let me know what you think. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, and do remember, none of these coins are financial advice. Coin number 4 is going to be indeed SPX 6900. It just doesn't stop. It just doesn't stop going up. On the market accessibility, not much on the centralized exchange side, but they are listing on new exchanges every single day almost. They just recently listed on Albank, but we can see this coin here is just euphoria. Look at the charts right there. You cannot make this up. It's just pumping like wild. $561 million market cap, total supply 1 billion, 93% in circ, ERC20 token, and this is effectively the Twitter right here of 16.3k followers. It says SPX flipping the stock market. So look at this. The big take is 6,900 traders storm the NYSE trading floor to proclaim that 6,900 is better than 500. So effectively you're looking at S&P 6,900 and not S&P 500. So they've tokenized on this kind of big movement and belief, and as a result we're seeing insane parabolic gains from here. I don't know how much higher it could truly go. It's got to come down at some point, but right now the trend is your friend, and it's looking really, really strong and bullish. The volume is pretty good as well. It's up over the last 24 hours. Hopefully we can get some more continuation for this particular coin right here. You can see, looking at the candle view, pretty crazy, printing very, very strong, of course, but the trend is absolutely your friend with this one, so worth having a look at. If you want to learn more about this token, check out my Discord down below. And this takes us to the very last coin, which is going to be Flockerz. This is a new sort of pre-sale which is themed around animals. I've been seeing a lot of animal coins do quite well out there in the crypto space. It's known as Flockerz, so I'll definitely drop a link down below for this one. It's 3,341% per annum stake and rewards. That's huge. That is really, really big. We can see they've also got their audit right here on CoinSalt, which does reflect there are no high, medium or low risk entities about this particular pre-sale right here, so definitely worth having a little look at. Now we can see they've raised 549,000 at 770k. The price will go up, or in just 23 hours. One Flock token is $0.00572. Now, the Flockerz revolution here is a vote-to-earn platform that puts power into the holder's hand. So it's a DAO, it's a DAO you earn by voting, and then you can basically get huge early rewards as well for participating in the ICO. So very fun, very colorful, certainly a meme coin, very D-Gen-y sort of vibe about this. And it'll be one that launches in a few weeks on DEX or centralized exchange. And here we can see, of course, the roadmap here. Step 1 already complete on that. Moving into step 2, where they're going to expand the network, get more sort of domination in the Ethereum space, and then step 3 will be the token listing and the kingdom expansion, and also the vote to earn mechanism will actually kick off. So certainly worth having a look at. I'll leave the link down below to all of these coins in the description. Of course, please do go and research. Now, just to summarize on this, we had coin number 1 as first Neiro on Ethereum, aka Neiro. Coin number 2 is Mog coin. Coin number 3 as Pepe Unchained. Link is down below. Coin number 4 on the SPX 6900 token, which just looks so ridiculous. And coin number 5 as Flockerz as well, another ICO out there which you can buy by connecting your MetaMask or DeFi wallet and converting either Ethereum or Tether into your coins. And you can also buy with BNB if you would rather mitigate those larger gas fees. That's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching. See you all very soon, and stay crypto safe. Bye for now. Peace.